Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva, and I'm here with my friend. Hi Pee-wee girl. Hi Pee-wee. Oh no, and that's Squeaky Birdie in the background. She heard me. Listen, she says, hi Squeaky Birdie. Hi Squeaky Birdie. We have two birds and you hear them a lot here. You hear them a lot in my video. Well, I have my Kansas City Chiefs shirt on. I have my Kansas City Chiefs tumbler, and let me see if I can turn around for you. I got my Kelsey shirt on. Oh yes I do. So who do you think I'm rooting for? You know it. Hi Pee-wee, say hi to everybody. And Pee-wee here, she has red under her wings. You can't see it, but when she lifts up her wing, she has red under it, so she's got red for the Chiefs too. So we're gonna watch the game now. We're gonna have some snacks, and I will see you later. Well, it's halftime, and half the Super Bowl cookie has been eaten. So we're going to have to see what the rest of the game brings. Oh, there's Brownie. Yep. She doesn't care about the Super Bowl. All she cares about is eating, right, Brownie? You want to eat? She sees her daddy up there eating, and her grandpa over there. She sees Grandpa and the daddy eating, and she's like, pass it over.
Can't imagine life without
No, Brown, you can't have my food. No, you had food already. You ate. Get away from my food. No! Taking a video? Hi, now look who's here. This is Squeaky Bird. Hi, Squeaky Birdie. She talks. She knows. Whoa, where are you going? Get over here. Come here. Come here by Mommy. Oh, she talks. She knows her name. She says, hello, Squeaky Bird. And she's going to watch the Super Bowl with us, too. Right, Squeaky? Right? Say hi. Say hi. Say I love you. Ticky, ticky, ticky. Hey. Yay. Come here. Up. Good girl. Good girl. Say I love you. Say I love you. Look who's that? Who's that? Say I love you. Say bye. We're going to watch the game. Say bye. We're going to watch the game. Well, all good things must come to an end, and I loved this game. Congratulations to the Kansas City Chiefs. I've never been into sports until I had 4 grandsons, and then I kind of fell into it. And of course my hubby, who was a fantastic athlete and a great coach. So the guys did a great job, and I couldn't be happier that the Kansas City Chiefs won another Super Bowl. They all did a great job. Who knows? Maybe next year we'll make it number 4. Great job, everyone. See you soon. Toodles! I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please try and keep your comments kind, whether you're a Chiefs fan or not. I like to keep my channel drama-free. So thank you and love you all. I'll see you soon. Bye.